In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable ChatGPT voice-to-voice on both iPhone and Android. Yes, you heard that right. You'll be able to talk to ChatGPT and get responses in real time. Let's dive in. So what exactly is ChatGPT voice-to-voice? It's a feature that allows you to have a conversation with ChatGPT using your voice, making interactions more natural and convenient. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, I'll guide you through the steps to set it up. Let's start with iPhone users. Here's how you can enable this feature on your device. Step 1. First, ensure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. For this, you need to open Settings, type iOS version, and then click on iOS version. Step 2. Next, download and install the OpenAI ChatGPT app from the App Store. If you haven't done this yet, just search for OpenAI ChatGPT in the App Store and hit download. Step 3. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your OpenAI account. Step 4. Click on the microphone icon and then click on Allow to give access of the microphone to ChatGPT. Step 5. Now you're all set. Start speaking and ChatGPT will respond to you with voice output. Let's try it out. Ask ChatGPT a simple question like, "What's the weather today?"
What's the weather today?
Today in San Antonio, it's partly cloudy with a high around 96 degrees Fahrenheit, but it feels like 105 degrees. The temperature tonight will drop to around 77 degrees with mostly clear skies. Tomorrow, it's expected to be mostly sunny and even hotter with a high near 103 degrees. As you can see, it responds just like having a conversation. And that's it. Now you know how to enable and use ChatGPT voice-to-voice on both iPhone and Android. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Leave a comment if you have any questions or if there's something specific you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.